Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Urban Piggy. Today I would like to share a very simple recipe, homemade fish balls. The ones that we can buy from shops often include ingredients that we don't want to have. Therefore, it's much tastier and healthier to just make our own. Let's start. Add ginger, cooking wine, and pepper. Salt. I like shrimps as well, so I added a couple into the mixture, but it's very optional. I decided to add a little bit of starch at this stage. And use some egg white to help the protein to bind with each other. Once the mixture is very smooth, it is done. We can transfer the mixture into a larger bowl. Now let's add the remaining starch in. The correct portion should be around 5 to 10% of the total fish that we use. Here we need some hard work, and we probably need to stir it for quite a long time, let's say 10 minutes, around 10 to 15 minutes. The final mixture should be very smooth, and if you grab a little bit onto your hand, it will not slip through your hand, or it will not easily drop from your hand. The mixture is at its right consistency if the fish balls that we make can float instead of sink to the bottom. Yes, it floats! Success! Sometimes small achievements like this bring purest joy. I was not very careful with my camera's focus when I was making the fish balls. Therefore, I took a squishy toy from my kids and trying to show you the process of how to squeeze the fish ball out of your thumb and index fingers. Now let's start boiling. Always start with cold water and set the fire at medium-low. Carefully stir now and then to prevent fish balls sticking to each other. In the meantime, put some ice cubes into a large bowl and prepare a bowl of ice-cooled water. Skim away the foam. Once the water is again boiling, we are done. I tested the core temperature, it is 85, so it's good to go. Now let's transfer quickly the boiled fish balls into a large bowl of ice-cool water. Fish balls are really very versatile and be used not just in hotpot but also in a lot of stewed dishes. For example, in this cleared miso broth soup with Shanghai pak choy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe or found this video entertaining, please consider liking and subscribing for future content. Your support means a lot, especially for this brand new channel. Cheers everyone!